Thank you for joining us on the news at 1. We begin in Ekiti State, where Magistrate Court has granted bail to human rights lawyer Dele Farotimi in the sum of 30 million naira. They also asked him to provide 3 sureties with a landed property within the jurisdiction. As part of conditions for his bail, he is to refrain from media interview and submit his international passport. The case was then adjourned till the 13th of February 2025. Dele Farotimi is facing a 16th count charge for allegedly defaming Afe Babalola in his book titled Nigeria and its Criminal Justice System. He's also facing a 12th count charge at the Federal High Court at Ekiti, where he was earlier granted bail. Opinions have been divided since his arrest in Lagos State, after which he is subsequently charged court in Ekiti and remanded at the Correctional Center. The Yoruba social cultural group of Fedifere is calling for his release, while others want Dele Farotimi to prove the allegations raised in his book at the courts. And our reporter in Ekiti State, Adjourned, joins me for more on this development. Thank you for joining us, Adjourned. Talk to us about his appearance in court today. We understand he's been granted bail. What were the conditions given to him for that?
Good afternoon. Dele Farotimi was brought into court around 9:45 a.m. this morning. He was accompanied to the court by police officers of the Ekiti State Command from the Rapid Response Squad and the officials of the Nigerian Correctional Service. He was taken into the Magistrate Court at exactly 9:45 a.m. And Magistrate Adeosun was expected to rule on his bail application today, and the ruling has been delivered. Dele Farotimi has been granted bail in the sum of 30 million naira. He has also been refrained from granting media interviews pending the determination of the substantive suits at the Magistrate Court. He was also expected to submit his international passport at the Magistrate Court in Ekiti. So these are some of the conditions. He was also expected to provide sureties, with one of those sureties having landed property in the state capital at Ekiti.
Right. Do you also have any information as regards his case at the Federal High Court? Has he been able to, fulfill the conditions for bail given to him there?
Well, I had a conversation with one of his lawyers this morning, and they were of the opinion that the Federal High Court has asked them to submit his international passport, and that he can only have one passport. So the Magistrate Court is also asking them to bring his international passport, and they are of the opinion that the Farotimi does not have to. They are still working on perfecting his bail condition at the Federal High Court, and this is another one. You will recall that the Federal High Court granted him bail in the sum of 50 million naira, and he was also expected to submit his international passport at the Federal High Court sitting in Ekiti.
Thank you for that update. That's our reporter in Ekiti State, Adjourned. Thank you for joining us on the news at 1.